There he goes. That's a keeper right there, bro. Look at that, guys. Beautiful morning out here at North Packery, guys. We got some finger mullet. We just cast netted. Got the Carbon X 4000. We got the Alley Host 300 on the Lumicat rod. Let's get out there and let's see what kind of fish we get into, guys. Hopefully we lay into some redfish. Let's get to it. It's beautiful out here. Beautiful morning. Got my X-Trap tied on in case there's any kingfish out there. I doubt it, but you never know. There's always a surprise in saltwater. All right, let's get to the end. All right, guys, like I said, starting out with the Carbon X 4000. Carolina rig, 1 ounce egg weight, swivel, 40-pound fluoro, and a finger mullet. We get out there, see what we get.
I kept getting my bait stolen by some mangrove snappers.
Ah, mangroves jacked me.
So I decided to switch over to some cut bait to see if I could snag one of them. And then I hooked into this.
Put some cut mullet on, see what we got, guys. Possibly. Yeah, it's gotta be a red. Yeah, you got me in the rock already. All right, that's a keeper.
Oh, nice one, bro.
I think he wrapped around something down there. Oh no, he came up.
He's right there. Nice one, bro. Nice. What was that on?
Cut mullet.
Cut mullet.
I was trying to get a mangrove.
Oh, that's a fucking slot, dude. That's 26.
Thank you, bro.
Ah, pull, 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 pull. Oh, yeah, see, that's
That cut mullet, bro.
fuck yeah,
Was that half shell you wanted, man?
Yeah, that's that half shell on it, bro.
Hey, I think that bigger than you. Oh, you stuck there. Yeah, let me see. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah.
How it worked.
Nice, right? Yeah. My buddy. That's my Ray Ray.
Alright, let's see how big this fish is, guys.
It's an inch over, dude.
Okay. Guys, on cut mullet, I was trying to get myself a mangrove. Got a nice slot red, or bull red, 28.5.
Yep. Perfect for the end of the year.
Carbon X 4000. Sheesh. Alright guys, now this redfish here, over slot. We're gonna get our tag on the fish here. It's 28.5. This is the redfish you want to keep that's over slot. The tags are about to expire. Perfect fish to cook on a half shell. It's not too big. Perfect over slot for the tag. Let's tag it and let's get her home on a half shell. Let's go. You on or what, John?
That was on 28.
Ooh, that's a slot right there, bro.
Oh, look at that one. He's gonna have to tag it, yeah.
Got the Jetty John over here on.
Yep.
That's a keeper right there, bro.
See if I can get him close. Where'd it go? There it comes.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice red right there, bro. Perfect size.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger.
Come on, John. You got it, bro. It's a net man. It's a net man now. Woo!
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Let me get down here to help him out.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Hold it up, bro.
Yeah. It was 28 and a half, almost 29 inches. 22, look at that, 22 inches.
Let John hold it up real quick. Let John hold it up for the camera, bro. Let him hold up his fish.
His fish.
Hold it for the camera, bro.
Out here with South Texas Ray, fishing for red.
Nice, bro. That's a nice one. That's
Thank
a pretty
you.
keeper, bro.
Thank you.
All right. This is what I used to get the last one, guys. Piece of cut mullet. Switched out from a live finger mullet to a cut mullet to try to get some mangrove snappers, and the redfish picked it up. Yeah. Took my bait. Baby red. Might be a keeper.
By 11 a.m., the bite died, and it was time to head home.
What's up, folks? Now I'm back home. I got my fish here prepped up, but there's gonna be a little twist. The fish that I'm cooking is not the redfish that I caught. I actually donated that fish to some friends. However, the fish that I'm gonna be cooking now was from the kingfish video on my last episode, guys. Here's the clip. Like so many of them. Now they're gone. Hopefully they come back. But there was like hundreds of these guys. Nearly landed one in the popper. Oh! Got him! Nearly landed one in the popper. Got him! I had that recording. I was recording that. We got one on right here. Poncho's on over here. They're doubled up right now. That's crazy.
Bro, that's only right. Yo, just in case, get the net. If it comes down to it, we'll have to.
Oh yeah, Poncho!
One gap out here.
Oh, I'm on!
Oh! Dude, everybody's just looking up.
Alright guys, now that y'all caught that clip, here's what I'm gonna be cooking up. I got the kingfish nice and cut up into little pieces here. We're wrapping it up with the bacon. It was seasoned with some cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, add a little bit more smoky flavor, slap your mama, garlic, salt, and pepper. We're making tacos, but with a little twist. Lime cilantro coleslaw. Got the grill going, let's get to it. Alright guys, so in case of y'all wondering how I make these dudes, I already showed y'all how I seasoned them. I wrapped them in bacon, put a toothpick through them. I got my heat very low in there with some fresh wood to add some smoke. I got them cooking on their sides to make sure that thick cut bacon cooks through. Then I'm gonna put them up on their upside and make sure they cook on both sides to get that even cook. It's gonna slow cook in here, guys, for a little while. Let's get back to it here in a few. All right, I'm gonna get this coleslaw going. I got some serrano peppers here, nice and cut up, seedless. They're going in. Might as well add the coleslaw right to it. Coleslaw here. Pre-mixed, pre-cut up coleslaw with some carrots, purple cabbage, and of course your green cabbage. Now I got the green onions cut up. I'm gonna put these guys in there. Alright, now I got the cilantro in there. I got some cilantro, green onions, fresh cut up coleslaw, and some fresh cut up serrano peppers that are seedless. Now to add the sour cream and mayo, as well as some salt and pepper. Alright guys, now to add the sour cream and the mayo. I got the sour cream in there already. Add the same amount of mayo to it. A little bit more sour cream, even it up. Then we're gonna add fresh squeezed lime to it. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Now to mix it up. Holy moly. Never made this before, guys. So, this is the first for me. Experimenting with you guys. It's looking good. I guess I put the perfect amount of mayo and sour cream in there. There we go, guys. The coleslaw for the fish we're about to eat, it's in the barbecue pit at the moment. Let's get back to the barbecue pit. Alright guys, there you go. They're standing up now. I also put a couple of pieces of kingfish that was marinated that I did not have enough bacon for in there as well. And also a couple of extra serrano peppers that I had. I cut them up, cleaned them up, and put in there to cook in that bacon grease as well. Look at that, guys. Sheesh. Slow cooking, nice and perfect. The kingfish that I put in there without bacon, it's actually already done. The serrano peppers as well. But these guys, sheesh, they smell good. These guys are looking good. These guys look about done. It's time to get them out. There you go, guys. Some nice, juicy, bacon-wrapped king rolls. Time to get them in some tacos. Let's get to it. Alright, guys. I got the rolls here. I got a butter tortilla here. Some rice. I'm going to break open this ball here. Put it in there. That nice meat. That bacon. Goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then to add our special mixture here that we just mixed earlier. And there you have it, guys. Bacon wrapped kingfish taco with some lime cilantro coleslaw, toasted serrano peppers, and some rice. Sheesh. This bacon wrapped king taco is going down the hatch, guys. Man, that coleslaw is amazing. Never made it before, guys. Outdid myself. I gotta try this out. Amazing, amazing. Now, for those of y'all asking if kingfish is good, this right here, smacks. Now this is South Texas Fishing Fam. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's free. We are out.
The seasons are now changing, and the mullet run is upon us. Are you ready?